Out there in the wild, you never know what's going to get thrown your way. When disaster strikes, having reliable food can mean survival. It's about pure, simple sustenance. This list of 25 foods will outlast any disaster. Real survival rations that can weather any storm. Let's get to it. Rice, it's a classic for a reason. Lightweight, compact, and packed with energy. Plus it has a long shelf life. Store it in airtight containers for years. Boil it, fry it, make a pilaf. It's a blank canvas for flavor. A warm bowl of rice after a long day? Nothing better. Next up, we've got dried beans. Don't let their size fool you, these little guys are packed with protein, making them a vital source of energy when you're running on fumes. And the best part? They're practically invincible. We're talking years, even decades of shelf life when stored properly in a cool, dry place. Throw them in a stew, sprinkle them on a salad, or grind them into flour for baking. With beans on your side, you're well on your way to surviving any challenge. Now this is where things get interesting. We're talking about honey, nature's very own superfood. This stuff never spoils. Archaeologists found honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, still edible after thousands of years. Packed with natural sugars, honey gives you an energy boost. Its antibacterial properties soothe sore throats and dress wounds. It's like having a first aid kit and energy bar in one. Freeze-dried meals, ready in a flash. In a survival situation, time is of the essence. You don't always have the luxury of building a fire and whipping up a gourmet meal. Lightweight, compact, and ready to eat in minutes with just a little bit of water. These are a true survival essential. Freeze-dried meals provide essential calories and nutrients, giving you the energy to keep going when you need it most. Powdered milk, long-life nutrition. Fresh milk is a luxury you can't always afford in a survival situation. Powdered milk is the answer. It's lightweight, compact, and lasts for ages when stored properly. Simply mix it with water, and you've got a nutritious drink or a base for soups and sauces. Salt, the ancient preservative. Salt, the oldest form of food preservation known to man. This humble mineral is essential for survival, both for flavoring food and for preserving it. Salt has an indefinite shelf life, meaning it will literally last forever if stored properly. It can help preserve meat and fish, making your precious food supplies last even longer. Canned goods are a prepper's best friend. We're talking fruits, vegetables, soups, meats, even ready-made meals, all sealed tight and ready to eat with little to no preparation. The beauty of canned goods is their incredible shelf life. Just be sure to inspect the cans for any dents or damage before consuming. Pasta, it's a classic for a reason. It's cheap, it's cheerful, and most importantly, it lasts for ages. We're talking years of shelf life for dried pasta, making it a perfect addition to your survival pantry. Whether you're a fan of spaghetti, macaroni, or penne, there's a pasta shape out there for everyone. Just boil it up in some water, add your favorite sauce, and you've got yourself a hearty, energy-packed meal. Peanut butter, it's not just for sandwiches anymore. This protein-packed spread is a survival staple for a reason. It's loaded with healthy fats, protein, and calories, giving you a much-needed energy boost when you need it most. Stored properly in an airtight container, it can last for years without going rancid. Spread it on crackers, mix it with oats, or eat it straight from the jar. Peanut butter is a versatile and delicious survival food. Rolled oats are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of slow-releasing energy, keeping you feeling fuller for longer, crucial when food supplies are limited. Enjoy them as a warm porridge on a cold morning, add them to smoothies for a nutritional boost, or use them in baking to add texture and flavor. Sugar often gets a bad rap, but in a survival situation, it can be a valuable asset. Sugar is a natural preservative, helping to extend the shelf life of fruits, jams, and jellies. It's also a quick and easy source of energy, giving you a much-needed boost when you're feeling depleted. Fresh fruits and vegetables might be hard to come by in a survival situation, but that doesn't mean you have to miss out on essential vitamins and minerals. Dehydrated vegetables are a fantastic alternative. They're lightweight, compact, and have an incredibly long shelf life. Simply rehydrate them in water and you've got a healthy and flavorful addition to your meals. Jerky, it's the ultimate survival snack. Packed with protein and flavor, this chewy treat has been a staple for explorers and adventurers for centuries. Jerky is essentially meat that has been dried and preserved, making it incredibly shelf-stable. Pack it in your backpack for a quick energy boost or enjoy it as a satisfying snack around the campfire. Bouillon cubes might seem like a small and insignificant item, but in a survival situation, they can be a real game changer. These flavor bombs pack a punch of savory goodness. instantly transforming a bland bowl of rice or pasta into a flavorful feast. Bouillon cubes are also incredibly shelf-stable, lasting for years without losing their potency. Hardtack. It's not the most glamorous food on our list, but it's certainly one of the most historically significant. This simple biscuit, made from just flour, water, and sometimes salt, has sustained sailors, soldiers, and explorers for centuries. Stored properly in an airtight container, hardtack can last for years, even decades, without spoiling. Canned fish. It's not just for tuna salad sandwiches anymore. This shelf-stable protein powerhouse is a must-have for any survival pantry. Canned tuna, salmon, sardines, mackerel, the options are endless. Eat it straight from the can, add it to salads, or use it to create a quick and easy fish cake. When it comes to survival, protein is paramount. Canned meat is a fantastic source of protein that also boasts an incredibly long shelf life. From canned chicken to Spam to corned beef, there's a canned meat option out there for every palate. Add it to soups, stews, and casseroles, or enjoy it as a quick and easy protein boost. Fresh fruit might be a luxury in a survival scenario, but that doesn't mean you have to forgo the natural sweetness and essential vitamins of nature's candy. Canned fruits are a fantastic alternative, offering a taste of sunshine even in the darkest of times. Enjoy them straight from the can, add them to yogurt or oatmeal, or use them to create a quick and easy dessert. Canned vegetables are a lifesaver when fresh produce is scarce. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, helping to keep you healthy and regular even in the most challenging situations. Add them to soups, stews, and chili, or enjoy them as a simple and satisfying side dish. Let's face it, in a survival situation, a good cup of coffee can be a real morale booster. Instant coffee might not have the nuanced flavor profile of its freshly brewed counterpart, but it's quick, convenient, and most importantly, effective. Just add hot water, stir, and enjoy that familiar caffeine kick. In the midst of a crisis, a calming cup of tea can work wonders. Whether you prefer black tea, green tea, or herbal infusions, tea offers a moment of peace and tranquility in an otherwise stressful situation. So brew up a cup, take a deep breath, and let the soothing properties of tea wash over you. Who says survival can't be a little bit sweet? Cocoa powder, the key ingredient in our beloved chocolate, is a surprisingly shelf-stable treat that can bring a much-needed dose of happiness to a challenging situation. Use it to make hot chocolate, bake cookies, or simply sprinkle it over oatmeal or yogurt for a touch of indulgence. Vinegar, it's not just for salad dressings anymore. This acidic wonder is a multitasking marvel in a survival scenario. It can be used to pickle vegetables, extending their shelf life considerably. It can also be used as a natural cleaning agent, disinfecting surfaces and keeping your living space germ-free. Soy sauce, with its rich, savory umami flavor, can transform a bland and boring meal into a culinary delight. Just a dash of this fermented condiment can add depth and complexity to soups, stews, sauces, and marinades. Soy sauce is also surprisingly shelf-stable, lasting for months, even years, if stored properly in a cool, dark place. Maple syrup. It's not just for pancakes anymore. This natural sweetener, derived from the sap of maple trees, is a delicious and versatile addition to any survival pantry. Enjoy it on pancakes, waffles, oatmeal, or yogurt, or use it to sweeten coffee, tea, or even baked goods. There you have it, 25 foods that will outlast any disaster. With these staples stocked, you'll be ready for any challenge. Preparation is key to survival. Stock your pantry and take control of your destiny. Be prepared for any situation. Stay safe and stay prepared.